guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I have something really exciting that I got in the mail and I wanted to share my opinion on it with you. And it is Bio Seaweed Gel's brand new cordless LED.
The lamp comes in this beautiful box that has the new BSG colors, and it has a handle to carry it, so it's really practical. Now let's open the box. The first thing that comes in here is the paper for the warranty. Then we have here all the details about the lamp. To finish with the operation instructions. Then in the back there we have the lamp's charger, which you won't need to be using all the time because it'll only be used to charge the lamp. Once charged, you can use it without any cord. Then the best part of all, the lamp. I love that it comes super well protected, as always with any of the BSG products. And oh my god, look how gorgeous this lamp is! It is seriously going to fit so well on my nail table. I can't wait to have it installed there and use it all the time. I mean, seriously, look how sleek this lamp looks. And I love the matte finish of it. Now before using it for the first time, you need to give it a full charge, and you have this small flashing light to tell you how the charging is doing. And of course, you want to charge it up to 100%. Make sure you plug your charger from this connection right here. This other one is also going to work, but it's much slower. And you can even charge your phone from this lamp. How amazing is this? The buttons are not actually buttons, they are touch sensors, so you don't need to press, you just put your finger and you turn the lamp on. You also have a small countdown screen to see how many seconds are left to curing your beautiful nails. As for the different settings, you can choose 30, 45, or 60 seconds. You can also remove the bottom tray of the lamp, which is something I always look for in a lamp because it makes it much easier to do pedicures. But this one, to make it even easier, has little legs that you can just pop out and it'll lift the lamp so your feet can get in without touching the top of it. In the back of the lamp, there's also a handle to carry your lamp around, which is super convenient given the fact that the lamp is cordless. You can turn your lamp on by either touching the buttons or by simply putting your hands in the lamp. If you look from the inside, you'll see that there's a small fan, so your lamp will not overheat. It is very important that you look where the bulbs are placed and that you put your hands under them. This way you're sure that your gels are going to cure properly. So that's it for this overview / first impressions of the new Bio Seaweed Gel cordless lamp. I just got it, but I know I'm going to love using it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment box down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!